Meta Llama stands at the forefront of open generative AI models, promising to revolutionize how we interact with artificial intelligence. Picture a landscape where creativity and innovation collide. Powered by the open-source intelligence of Meta Llama, this groundbreaking model democratizes AI, making it accessible and usable for a broad spectrum of developers, researchers, and enthusiasts. Meta Llama's architecture is designed to foster collaboration and advancement. It offers an open playground for AI exploration, where users from around the world can tweak, test, and enhance its capabilities. Imagine a vast digital canvas where anyone with a spark of creativity can contribute to the overall intelligence, creating a tapestry of collective genius. The open nature of Meta Llama ensures that improvements and innovations are shared globally, accelerating the pace of technological progress. At the heart of Meta Llama is its ability to generate content with remarkable fluency and coherence. From generating intricate narratives to crafting persuasive articles, the model's linguistic prowess paints vivid pictures in the minds of its users. Envision generating a storyline for a novel or an engaging marketing copy with just a few prompts. This is the transformative power of Meta Llama's language model. Its versatility spans across multiple applications, from education to entertainment, creating endless possibilities. Security and ethical considerations are paramount in the development of Meta Llama. It incorporates robust mechanisms to prevent misuse and ensure that generated content adheres to ethical standards. Picture a digitally safe environment where creativity doesn't compromise integrity, and innovation is balanced with responsibility. The model is continually updated to address potential biases and improve inclusivity, ensuring that the generated content resonates with a diverse audience. As AI continues to evolve, Meta Llama stands as a beacon of open-source innovation. It empowers individuals and organizations to harness the full potential of generative AI, facilitating a community-driven approach to technological advancement. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence is a shared resource, cultivated and refined by collective efforts. Meta Llama's open model not only champions progress, but also fuels collaboration and ethical AI development. In conclusion, Meta Llama represents a monumental leap in the realm of generative AI. Its open, collaborative, and secure design transforms the way we create and interact with AI-driven content. Picture a world where AI is not confined to elite researchers but is a resource for anyone with vision and creativity. Meta Llama embodies the true spirit of innovation, inviting everyone to be part of the AI revolution.